everybody, it's me, Kinda Sinister. Today I'm just gonna be showing some weird sounds. Well, first off, my personal favorite. What it appears to be to a lot of my friends, it sounds like a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Whee! And that is my personal favorite. And next is an alien sound.
Why so serious?
Ugh. Some good stuff. Next is, according to some of my friends, it sounds like a velociraptor. I don't think it does personally, but oh well. And then I got some stuff like what other sounds can I make? Oh, that's right, the alien roar. Wait, oh no, that ain't it. Where is it? I forgot what it was. Oh yeah. There you go. Oh. There's that one. Then there's and there's a bunch of different sounds. I just gotta remember how to make them all. Ugh. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it off right here. Personal favorite.